Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a folder or partition on Linux and then access it from share a partition on Windows and then access it from Linux. Okay, so I have here two virtual machines that I have created on VMware Workstation. This virtual machine is a Windows Server 2016 and this virtual machine is a CentOS 7. Okay, so I will start with the Windows virtual machine. So let's say I want to share this partition on the network and then access it from the CentOS 7 machine. So I'm going to do properties and then sharing, and I'm going to share this partition and I'm going to give it this name, VM Win 16. Okay. I'm going to apply and okay. So in order to access this shared partition, I can access it through this link. Okay, so it is shared. I'm also going to need the IP address for this Windows machine, so I'm going to do IP config, and as you can see the IP address is 37. I'm going to go to the CentOS 7 machine and try to ping this machine. So this is the first thing you need to do. Make sure you can ping the machine that has the share. So 192.168.1.37. So as you can see, it is pinging, so we don't have a problem here. The next thing you need to do is install the samba-client and the cifs-utils. So you can do that using the following command. So I'm going to do yum install samba-client, samba-common and cifs-utils packages. I'm going to need the password here, and of course I have already installed these packages on my machine, so as you can see it's telling me that these are already installed. So I just wanted to show you what command you need to use. Next I'm going to create a folder for this, to mount this shared partition. So I'm going to call this folder Win or VM Win 16, VM Win 16, just like I called the share. Okay, the next thing we need to do is mount the cifs share here on Linux. So I'm going to copy and paste the command, and then we will see what we need to change on this command. So the command is sudo mount.cifs and then the server name or IP. I'm going to use the IP address, which is 192.168.1.37, and then the shared folder or partition name, which is I forgot what it is. Yeah, it's right here, VM Win 16, and then the mount point, which is the same, VM Win 16, and then the username, which is administrator. For me, I'm going to use this username, and then file mode 0777, and then directory mode 0777. Okay, let's hit enter and run this command. And here I need to type the password for the administrator user on the remote Windows server. So I'm going to do that. And it worked without errors. Now if I do df-k, I can see the mount point. I can see the cifs share here mounted at this point, mnt vm win 16. So in order to access this shared cifs partition, I can do this cd -mnt or /mnt/ vm, and then if I do ls, I'm going to see the content of the shared partition, which is the same content that we see here. We have three files, okay, and two hidden ones, okay. So as you can see, it worked. So this is how you mount a Windows cifs share on Linux. Before finishing this video, I'm going to show you how to unmount this shared partition. So if I want to unmount this, I can do this sudo umount, it's umount, not unmount, /mnt/vm, and then hit enter. And of course I cannot unmount this shared folder because I'm already in it. You see, if I do pwd, I am in this location, so I need first to exit. So I'm going to return to home, which is funny to say this way, return, I'm home. So now I can run the command umount, okay, and it is unmounted. To check that it is unmounted, I can do df-k, and the mounted folder has disappeared from here. So this is how you mount and unmount a cifs Windows folder. So I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I thank you for watching.